Baby, baby, baby. What's up everyone? John here and welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa IKEA ngayon on a Sunday and it's last day of sale and maraming tao and haba ng pinila namin pero kakain kami para samahan nyo kami. Tama ba yun? Dito sa IKEA. So ayun guys, tara, samahan nyo kami as we get our food, order our food. Let's go! Guys, so let's start. First, kita try is their adobo. Actually, this is the first time that I'll be seeing that they have adobo here. It's been a long time. Na rin naman kasi since we ate here, di baby. Diba? Pero, yun nga. Actually, hinahanap ko is yung ano sana. Yung beef. Yung roast beef. Kaso, wala na siya. Unfortunately. So, baby got for her veggie balls. Yeah, as a non-meat eater. I'll start with adobo. Adobo actually, for just an adobo, it's medyo pricey. Pero, pwede na rin naman for IKEA price. So let's try how the Swedish makes adobo.
Kuha ba nila ang tingko?
Kuha naman. Kasi usual adobo, toyo, suka, tapos bawang. Yun lang usually. Ay, yun lang naman yung lalasahan dito.
So, parang classic adobo.
Yeah. Pero medyo ano siya, matabang. For Swedish taste din siguro. So, fusion of Swedish and Pinoy flavor. Next is trying their chicken skewers. Actually, kamukha siya nung kinakain natin sa Bangkok noon. Yung itong gati itsura niya.
Same presentation.
Yeah. It looks parang yung mga fatty meat yung nilagay dito. So yeah, let's try.
I like it. Ako yung lang.
Parang siyang very Asian taste.
Hindi siya lasang Filipino barbecue.
Very Asian. Parang may mirin, Japanese mirin, sugar, and yun, pampatamis, toyo.
Kaya ko siya gusto. Kasi Japanese-ish yung flavor.
Yeah. Hindi ko lang sure for this adobo kung like, pag umorder ka, pwede ka magpalagay sa rice ng konti pa na kasi ako nabitin ako dun sa nakabitin yung sauce niya, yung soup. So, hindi siya ganun kalasa. So, pag-order ka and they let you have a little bit more sauce, magpalagay na lang kayo sa kanin. It's good. Still good. Nalala ko yung mga adobo sa school canteen.
Kasi ko sa menu, daming nawala. From the last time that we ate here. Tsaka parang naging limited. Hindi na ganun kahal. The variety is not there.
Try their salmon roll. So this is how it looks inside. Ganyan lang siya. So yung cured salmon, medyo light colored. Just a bit of sauce, tapos tortilla wrap.
Ito bago.
Yeah.
Ito hindi ko pa siya nakita.
Actually, nangingibabaw yung lasa ng herb na to. Yung herb na, forgot what you call this dill. Yun, dill. Yun lang. Sweet sauce, tapos nangingibabaw yung dill na flavor. Okay naman, pero kasi yun dun lang sa dulo. Wala nang
Tinapay na lang siya.
tortilla na lang. Wala na yung filling.
Gusto ko sana i-try kaso hindi kasi ako makain ng raw sa summer.
No, I think this is cured. Not raw.
But it's, you know, the texture is still parang raw.
This is good. This is good.
I like that.
It's sold as a side kasi, di ba? Pero bagay siya sa kanin. So pag meron kayong kanin meal, like this adobo, perfect siya sabayan din ito. Or if not, pwede kayong bumili nito tapos, extra rice. Yeah. Hindi mo akalain na ganun yung lasa niya. Kasi akala mo parang Pinoy barbecue. Yung tomato ketchup, banana ketchup, no? I like it.
Nasa dulo yung taba. Yung sa akin.
Saka din. What are their croquette?
Yeah.
So basically just, croquette, potato and cheese. Basically potato and cheese. And may flavor siya ng truffle. So may truffle flavor siya. Tignan natin kung may cheese pool. Wala siyang cheese pool, pero gooey siya. Yan siya inside. Very cheesy. Yan.
Sulit.
Pagkagat mo, masahan mo agad yung truffle.
Wait,
Yeah.
try
Yeah.
niya. As a truffle
Good.
lover.
I think it's on the cheese then. Try mo yung cheese, yung gooey part. Yeah?
I like it. In fairness dito. Mukha siyang sad doon sa doon sa line. Pero ang sarap pa.
I'll try your,
Yeah.
with the lingonberry.
And the mashed potato?
Ano ito muna? Ito yung balls.
Plant-based.
Meatballs. Plant-based. Good. Pero mas malambot siya compared sa actual meatballs. Real meatballs. Pero overall, the texture, the taste, it's there. Ano naman, gaya naman. And then their pambatang na chicken tenders. Actually, I order usually yung chicken wings, which I like. Yung nila dito, di ba? Favorite ko. Nag-try lang kami ngayon ng mga bago. So that we can, experience it for the first time with you guys. Ayun. So ito, chicken tenders. Nasa McDo? Nasa McDo.
Baka pareha sila ng supplier.
Yun na yung timpla nila.
Pati yung
The breading.
breading and crispiness. It's like,
Bali may pala. Drink is,
some type of tea flavor.
yeah. Na-try ko na siya actually kanina.
Parang elderflower something.
Elderflower. Asan jelly ace? The
What?
white jelly ace. Try mo.
This one naman is sparkling lemon.
Parang bagay siya dito.
I like it. Ito yung next kong book. May tamis pala siya.
Next is trying their sausage. First time ko. Has this always been here? Or no?
Hindi ko yung nasabi.
Parang hindi, no?
Kasi dati may mga Shanghai.
Oh,
may
yeah,
mga
marami yung
lumpia.
Shanghai.
So I think this is
This is new. So yun, try natin yung kanilang pork sausage.
Can I take a bite?
Juicy.
Tasty. Bagay siya sa Korean noodles.
Oh yeah. So juicy. Juicy or oily? Pero nonetheless, masarap siya. Huh? Tapos yung nila, mantopo pa nila is just quarter chicken, pecho, thigh and leg. And yun lang yung choice nila. Hindi ka pwede mag-request ng white meat, yung yung pang taas na quarter. Toasted siopaw. Strider toasted siopaw.
Siopaw.
Very bready siya inside.
Ang weird ng bread. Hindi natikman.
Actually, fried pala. Hindi siya
Fried
toasted,
siomai.
fried. Ayan. Nakikita mo yung crispiness at saka may lasang konting oil sa labas. Hindi naman masyado, pero okay naman. Tapos yung palaman niya, parang siyang halo ng asado because of the taste. Tapos bola-bola because of the texture. Ayan o, medyo buo-buo siya sa loob. Tapos, di ba meron siopaw sauce na binibili? Like pag bumili ka sa ibang restaurant, like, or sa 7-Eleven, ganyan. Parang may provide sila na, ano, di ba, siopaw sauce. Parang ito, nandito na yung siopaw sauce.
Hinalo na dun sa
Yeah,
mixture.
try it.
Okay.
Parang nandun na yung siopaw sauce.
Oo nga. Matamis na siya. Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm not a fan of it.
No? Ako I am. I like it.
Parang mas nangingibabaw sa akin yung greasiness na lasa. Next.
That's there. Chicken empanada.
Sige, pakita mo sa kanila.
Looks like this inside.
Hindi siya filled to the brim.
Look to the brim.
Filled to the fullest.
Yeah. Let's try it.
Parang masarap yung loob.
Okay.
Flavorful.
Almost pa-pizza na siya eh. No? Yung walang tomato sauce, but you can, with the chicken, you can taste na parang may bell pepper, onion, and some cheese. Yeah. Hindi mo man describe kasi very bland ang kulay niya sa loob. Puting-puti. Pero,
Parang
wala siya.
pepper. Red
Pepper.
bell pepper.
Yeah, bell pepper na. Yeah. Pa-pizza na siya. And, the crust, the bread outside is less, less oily than the fried siopaw. Kasi syempre, fried na naman siya. So, less oil. Going back.
Going back. Truffle croquettes, the one.
Okay, so for this time, nagdalawa kami kinuha ng dessert. Mango sago and yung, our favorite, almond.
Almond chocolate.
Almond chocolate.
Pie?
Sa pie.
Ano pa yung
Cake.
tawag sila?
Cake lang.
Din kasi.
Trying this. Ewan kung ba't ito yung kinuha. Kasi walang bagong dessert eh, no? There's still this, tapos yung carrot cake, and then the apple pie. So, ito na lang.
Doon tayo sa siguradong masarap.
Still good. Parang yung dame na chocolate yung nasa taas. No? On the caramel. The crust under. Parang it's still the same. It's not almond. The crust under. This one. Regular cake lang siya. Pag yung kainin mo, walang lasa. So parang lang siya. Basil and dagdag texture for the whole cake. But the star talaga is the chocolate and the caramel on top. So good. This one's new. Yeah. Mango sago. Na parang, it's so thick. Parang paano na siya? Pa mac and cheese. Yung try that out. I try? Oh, now mango. She doesn't like mango. I don't know if it's just because inuna ko yung super tamis na cake. Pero ano siyang lasa para sa akin?
Even the mango,
No.
wala
na.
flavor na siya.
Cream na lang yung nalalasahan ko. Siguro may very, very slight taste of mango. But wala na. Hindi ko na siya malasahan. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa food court ng SM MOA. For dessert, slight dessert lang. Yun na kami nakapag-ikot sa IKEA because of too many people like we've mentioned. And kahit yung dessert dun hindi na rin ko makapag-dessert. So we got beard papas na lang. Ayan. So hanap lang ng table so that we can eat and show you. Ayan guys, so try na natin. Try ko muna yung first. Siguro yung basic flavor. Ayan. Eclair lang, cream and chocolate sa taas. Mm.
Show him. The inside. Looks
Sarap.
good.
Hindi masyadong matamis. Tapos yung chocolate niya on top, hindi rin ganun katamis. Actually, dark siya. Good.
Well-balanced flavor.
Actually, we have had beard tapa before, no? Pero sa Japan. Sa may Subway.
Oh, yeah.
Dito ata hindi pa.
Ang question ko lang, pag doon, talagang aromatic.
Yeah.
Talagang inaano nila yung yung smell, yun yung pampa-attract nila.
Oo.
Dito hindi natin naamoy, no?
Oo. Ayan guys. Yung sa akin, yung crust niya sa akin, mas prefer ko yung profiterole na mas malambot. Matigas ngayon parang almost pa-biscuit na siya. Ayan, guys. Cookie butter. Gawin natin. Mas malambot yung nito. Mas malambot yung pastry niya. Oy,
Nag-ooze na siya. Mas malambot nga.
mas malambot. Again, hindi ganun din masyado katamis. Even the cookie butter taste, medyo nakukulangan ako. But if you're the type who likes not too much sweet na dessert, perfect po. Ito yung talagang tinapay. Unlike dun sa original, is matigas. Ito malambot. Like it. Punong-puno guys yung niya, cream. Sarap. Parang may bite na puro cream lang talaga yung makakain mo. Yeah? How is it?
Lasa ko naman yung cookie butter, pero I think yun naman talaga yung timpla din lagi ni Beard Papas. Beard Papas with an S pala. Na laging light lang yung nila,
Cream.
flavors.
Yeah. Pero siksik.
Pero din siguro hindi ka magsawa. 2 to 3 of these in one day. Kasi light lang siya.
Sarap.